సోదరి శంకరి సరసి జనాభ సోదరి శంకరి పాగిమా 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 సరసి జనాభ సోదరి వరదాభయ కరకమలి వరదాభయ కరకమలి వరదాభయ కరకమలి శరణాగత జనే వరదాభయ కరకమలి శరణాగత సరసి జనాభ సోదరి వరదాభయ కరకమలి శరణాగత సరసి జనాభ సోదరి శంకరి పాగిమా సరసి జనాభ సోదరి వరదామ ప్రకీర్తితే పరంధామ ప్రకీర్తితే పరంధామ ప్రకీర్తితే పరంధామ ప్రకీర్తి పరంధామ ప్రకీర్తితే పశుపాశ విమోచితే వరదామ ప్రకీర్తితే పశుపాశ విమోచితే పన్నాగ హరణయుతే వన్నాగ హరణయుతే వన్నాగ హరణయుతే నాగరి పూజిత జపతి నాగ హరణయుతే నాగరి పూజిత జపతి సదానందితే సంపదే వరగురు భజనని మదశమని మహిషాసురమర్దని మంగళమని మంగళవరం ప్రదాయిని వరగురు భజనని మదశమని మహిషాసురమర్దిని మంగళమని మంగళవరం ప్రదాయిని సరసి జనాభ సోదరి శంకరి పాగిమా సరసి జనాభ సోదరి శారదే కరుణానిధే సకలానవాంబ సదా జనా శారదే కరుణానిధే ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಚಾರಣಾದಿಮಗೀತ ವೈಭವಭೂರಿತಾಗಿಲ ದೀಕದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಚಾರಣಾದಿಮಗೀತ ವೈಭವಭೂರಿತಾಗಿಲ ದೀಕದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಚಾರಣಾದಿಮಗೀತ ವೈಭವಭೂರಿತಾಗಿಲದೀಕದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಭೂಷಣ ಭೂಷಿತೆ ವರರಕ ಮೌಳಿ ವಿರಾಜಿತೆ ಭೂಷಣ ಭೂಷಿತೆ ವರರಕ ಮೌಳಿ ವಿರಾಜಿತೆ ಕರ್ಮದಾಯಿನಿ ಕರ್ಮಮೋಚನಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಕುರುಮಾನಸಂ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಚಾರಣಾದಿಮಗೀತ ವೈಭವಭೂರಿತಾಗಿಲದೀಕದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಸಂಧೃತ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕಾಷ್ಟವಡಿ ಸುಭಾಘಟ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಂಧೃತ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕಾಷ್ಟವಡಿ ಸುಭಾಘಟ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಸ್ತವಾಸ್ತಿಗಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಜತು ರೋನಯ ಚತುರೋ ನವಾಚಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಜಗನಾನವಾಂಬ ಸದಾ ಜನ ಚಾರಣಾದಿಮಗೀತ ವೈಭವಭೂರಿತಾಗಿಲದೀಕದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಕರುಣಾನಿಧೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಆಗಮ ವೇದ ಕಲಾಮಯ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಆಗಮ ವೇದ ಕಲಾಮಯ ರೂಪಿಣಿ ಅಖಿಲ ಚರಾಚರ ಜನನಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಿ ನಾಗ ಕಂಕಣ ನಟರಾಜ ಮನೋಹರಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿದ್ಯೇಶ್ವರಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರರಾಜ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ பலவிதமாயும் 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 பாடவும் ஆடவும் பலவிதமாயும் பாடவும் ஆடவும் பாடிக்கொண்டாடும் பதமலர் சூடவும் என அகமுற காணவும் உலகம் என அகமுற காணவும் ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஒரு நிலை தருவாய் காஞ்சி காமேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ சக்கரராஜ சிங்காசனேஸ்வரி ஸ்ரீ லலிதாம்பிகே உழன்று திரிந்த எண்ணி உழன்று திரிந்த எண்ணி உத்தமனாக்கி வைத்தாய் 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 உயரிய பெரியோருடனே உள்டிட கூட்டி வைத்தாய் நிழலென தொடர்ந்த முன்னாய் கொடுமை நீங்க செய்தாய் நித்ய கல்யாணி பவானி பத்மேஸ்வரி நித்ய கல்யாணி பவானி பத்மேஸ்வரி நித்ய கல்யாணி भवानी पद्मेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके तुंग पुगतिविट्टु तुंग पुगतिविट्टु துங்கக்குடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் துங்கக்குடத்திலிட்டு தூயவனாக்கி வைத்தாய் தொடர்ந்து மாயம் நீக்கி பிறந்த பயனை தோது அங்கை புகட்டியதும் ஆனலை காண செய்தான் அங்கை புகட்டியதும் ஆனலை காண செய்தான் அடைக்கணும் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கணும் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கணும் நீயே அம்மா அடைக்கணும் நீயே அம்மா கிலாண்டேஸ்வரி அடைக்கணும் நீயே அம்மா கிலாண்டேஸ்வரி श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके भुवनेश्वरी आगम वेद कलामयरूपिणी रूपिणी अखिल चराचर जननी नारायणी नागकंकण नटरायोगरी ज्ञान विद्येश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी श्री चक्रराज सिंहासनेश्वरी श्री ललिताम्बिके கற்பகமே கற்பகமே கள்பாராய் இருமையிலே கற்பகமே கள்பாராய் திருமயிலே கற்பகமே கள்பாராய் திருமயிலே கற்பகமே கள்பாராய் திருமயிலே கற்பகமே கருணை கள்பாராய் சிற்பராயோகிய சித்தர்கள் சிற்பரயோகிய சித்தர்கள் ஞானிய சிற்பரயோகிய சித்தர்கள் ஞானிய திருவுடையடியவர்களும் மனமுதவும் திருமகனும் கனமகனும் மனமும் திருமயிலே கற்பகமே திருவுடையடியவர்களும் மனமுதவும் திருமகனும் கனமகனும் மனமும் திருமயிலே கற்பகமே சத்யஜிதானந்தமதாய் சகல உயிர் துயிராயமணி சத்யஜிதானந்தமதாய் சகல உயிர் துயிராயமணி தத்துவமஸ்யாதிமாக்கியதற்பரவஸ்தூயே சத்துவகுணமுடு பக்தி சிவமபவதாபமு காமம் ஹரியுமணிவரணம் ஞானசௌபாகிய சம்பதோடு ஹரையுமணிவரணம் ஞானசௌபாகிய சம்பதோடு ஹரையுமணிவரணம் ஞானசௌபாகிய சம்பதோடு மயுமயி நிரதிசையில் வந்தரும் கற்பகமே ஹரையுமணிவரணம் ஞானசௌபாகிய சம்பதோடு மயுமயி நிரதிசையில் வந்தரும் கற்பகமே 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 கற்பகமே
Wonderful venue and wonderful audience. Thank you, and as questions are also. Thank you.
These have to come to an end, right? But today is Saraswati Puja, Ayudha Puja. And Saraswati is the goddess of wit, music, creativity, poetry, learning, education. And invariably, all dance classes will always start, kindergarten will always start sometime around this period, right? So it's not really good things coming to an end, but here is a start to new innings. And we hope this is the start of many more concerts from Mr. Vivek. Okay. And Mr. Vivek Murikulam on the vocals, Mridangam Sri Kashinath, violin Mr. Jnanadev Kapu. What a wonderful trio. What I really liked best about it was that throughout the entire concert, none of them played second fiddle to one another at all, right? They were constantly supporting one another. They were appreciating each other. And every time there was something going on over there, you could see the deep understanding that was there between the three artists. And I think that is so commendable in a concert of this type, right? Coming over here and doing it. When I was called aside for a few minutes and asked to give the vote of thanks, and I came back to my seat, I was for a second stunned when he started the song Sarasite Naga Sodari, Shankari Payama. And this was a song that was very special to my mother. Every Navratri concert, she would sing this song, everywhere. And today when I heard Mr. Vivek sing this song, I think this made this concert one of those absolutely unforgettable concerts for me. I think like I said, I was so overwhelmed by emotion when I heard him sing, and exactly the same way like my mother sang it. And I felt, wow, this is really something, a very special day, at least for me. So thank you, Mr. Vivek. You made my day today. Generally, most of the sabhas, what do they complain about? When there's a Tani Avardhanam going on, people will just walk off to have bhajis and coffee, right? We proved them wrong today. When there was Tani Avardhanam going on, not one person stirred. There wasn't even a blink of an eye. Everybody just sat there mesmerized by the way in which the Tani Avardhanam came. The violin and the mridangam. I think both the artists, absolutely brilliant performers. And as I mentioned, all three of you just gave us a feast to our senses today. What more can one ask for? An evening like this, under such a brilliant night sky, wonderful breeze, and a very receptive audience, and a very great concert. I think this is the way to end a wonderful Golu this year. So 2025, I know this is the last day of Golu, but I think it really ended with a concert that will remain in our minds for a long time. And we look forward to having you all back here again. Thank you so much for being with us. They deserve a standing ovation. Please. Before I hand the mic over to Mr. Raghavan, I would like to thank one special person today who hasn't, like I said, stirred from his seat, Mr. Manian. Okay, please give him a big hand. Like I said, when we talk about bhakti, the very epitome of bhakti is actually in that sense. For me, it is personified by Mr. Manian, because I've never seen him leave that spot. And come rain, come whatever may be the case, he is always there during the start of the concert and until it all finishes. And even when people leave, he is there to support and make sure that everything is recorded and sent to everyone to enjoy. So I think Mr. Manian, thank you so much from all of us. I think none of us would really be able to, even show our gratitude to you except by saying thank you many times. So that's a big thank you to our organizers, the Kovai Care people, mainly because of the kind of support that they have given us over the last 9 days. It hasn't been an easy task at all. They have gone way beyond, I think all our demands, whether it be Sundar or whether it be sweets or anything that we requested, okay, were fulfilled right from the first, even before Navratri started in terms of keeping our Golu, and up to the time that we are finishing today. So a very big thank you to Mr. Satya Prabhu and his team for doing such a wonderful job of supporting all of us. I don't think we could have asked for anything more from them. They went way beyond what anybody could have done. So thank you so much. Kiran and his team, the wonderful sundals that we all received every day, I was actually joking and telling them, I think now what we need from Kiran is a nice dose of legium tomorrow, right? We have had a lot of sundal. So, but all those delicious sundals actually came from Kiran and his team. And like I said, once again, it didn't really matter what was happening in the background, the sundals always arrived on time. So thank you so much, Kiran and his team. And of course, how can I forget our wonderful audience? You were there. I think every concert, okay, was, I think, a treat to the senses, mainly because the audience was also there to receive it and to ensure that the artists got due recognition. I think it's only when the audience enjoys it does the artist truly feel recognized, right? So I'm glad that we have our Indus Valley friends and our S3 friends all coming here together today to enjoy concerts like this. May there be more such concerts in the future and more such enjoyable evenings. With that, let me hand over the mic to Mr. Raghavan and thank you.
I really thank you all for the interest you have shown, and you have been here for more than 2 hours. Wish you all a happy Navratri. Thank you. Good night.